In this video,
we'll see how to cancel pending orders. First, in the trade underline execution.py file, we comment out the GTC line and uncomment the cancel order line. Next, let's open the wallet underline example.py file. Here we have several features like balances, positions, account configuration, and open borders. For now, we only need open borders. So I comment out the other lines. Now save the file and run it with this command. As a result, you can see all the open orders along with their order IDs. Copy the order ID of the order you want to cancel. Then go to the order underline entry.py file and paste this ID into the order underline IDs list. Save the file and run it again. You'll see in the output that this order ID has been cancelled. And of course, you can double check in the Reya UI to make sure it's gone. So that's how you cancel pending orders. In the next video, we'll learn how to set take profit and stop loss orders.